Hi guys, we received this INIU fast charge power bank. It's a B1 B3 and it's a purposely fast charger with 10,000 milliamperes. And as you can see, it has USB Type C in and out, USB C out, and a USB A out, which is really convenient. Okay, so let's take it out of here. Okay, it has the guide. Here it is. Let's take it out. Here we have the fast charge Type C in and out. Here we have the other Type C out and the out number 3, which is the USB A flashlight. You press it twice fast and it turns on and off, which is really nice. Okay, so let's try it. I've got here my cable and it's charging. The LED is on, showing us how much battery it has. And it's really slim. It's very nice. So it's a really nice charger for your phone, power bank. You can have it with you, and it's not taking much space because it's very slim. And here I just seen here we've got the charger, which is nice, and this little travel, so you can just place it in there and carry it with you, which is really nice. Okay, so it's a slim, it's a fast charger, power bank, which is very nice, and I would really recommend this INIU power bank. See ya.